What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Lim here, and it is really windy out, so I'm just gonna quickly, oh that's so much better. So yeah, we're gonna be making the Ying Yang Air Jordan out of cardboard. So we have it right here. Look how lit that is. 3D, yeah, that's right, we got 3D on this baby. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, before we get into this awesome tutorial, I'm just going to be letting you guys know that we're going to do shoutouts now. So the way you get a shout out is if you guess the Air Jordans up there. And if you guess it correctly, obviously you're going to get a shout out. And not everyone is going to get a shout out if you get it correct, because there's going to be lots of people, I hope. So I'm just going to pick one at random that got it correct. So just get the ball rolling. I pick one. Ladies Man Drums. Interesting. I checked out his channel. He does drum videos, and yeah, so make sure you go check him out. So yeah, if you guys want to shout out, make sure you comment below what those Air Jordans are, and the next video I'll shout you guys out and tell you the correct answer. So let's get into it. Okay guys, the first step is you want to print off an Air Jordan 1 outline. There's heaps on Google if you just search up Air Jordan 1 outline. You just print that off in A3, and yeah, you should be good. So as you guys know, we are going to be making the Air Jordan Ying Yang. So in this box that I got from End, I unboxed finance from these, so make sure you go check that video out. Leave it in the end. So we've got our materials. So we've printed off a few copies of an Air Jordan outline. So we're going to be needing that. So it's really windy out here. We've got that. Put my Stanley knife on top. We need some black paint. It's the only paint we need. I've got a few brushes. Probably only need one. So the paint you can pick up from Office Works, really cheap. Stanley knife, everyone has one. And you can get a few brushes for 50 cents also at Office Works. And we're not going to be using this cardboard because it's a Milo cereal cardboard, but it's too thin for what we're going to be using. So we're actually going to be using this end box. So we're just going to have to cut that up real quick. So now most of you won't have this exact box, so make sure when you're choosing your box, make sure the page fits onto that piece of cardboard. Okay, don't try and glue pieces of cardboard together because that wrecks the stability of it, because we're going to be cutting it up anyway, so just make sure it fits. So guys, I've just sped this video up so that it's not as boring. So what we've done is we've just turned it over, we've piled heaps of PVA on it, and then we just glue it onto the cardboard and like let it dry overnight. So yeah, and then you just rub it so that it's all flat. Just make sure it's really flat so that you don't get any like bubbles or anything in the shoe. So yeah, just make sure you take your time with this. I've sped up the video because I don't want this video to go for very long. So yeah. Okay guys, so I've left it overnight and it's all dry. So it's stuck to the cardboard right here. So we're just gonna use our Stanley knife and we're gonna cut out each part of the Air Jordan, right? So we're gonna start with the sole, and then we're just gonna cut out the parts. So I'm gonna speed this video up so that you don't have to be bored to death watching this, alright? So let's go! Okay guys, as I just said, we're just going to be cutting out each piece. So just follow what I'm doing, alright? So watch the certain pieces that I'm cutting out and how I'm cutting them out. So just, yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, it actually started raining at this point, so I'm actually just going to bring everything inside, so yeah. So guys, I've actually just continued to cut the pieces out, and along the process I've found a few pieces that weren't glued on to correctly, so I've just used some more PVA just to make sure it's all flat and there's no bubbles and like nothing's not separated, just so that the final product looks as best as possible. Okay guys, we've just finished cutting out the pieces. I'm just going to really quickly show you all the pieces. We have the inside sole, so let me give you an example. I'm going to put that right there, inside sole. We got the sole. No, sorry, this is the inside lining, not sole. That piece right there, it's the tab. We've got the center. We've got that piece, the tongue, and the finger, the back tab. Boom. So I'm just going through this really quickly. I don't want the video to go for too long. That shoelace part. It's gonna be pretty lit when it's done. Right there. By the way, these are my cartoon Air Jordans. Make sure you go check out that video. This piece up there. Yeah, I made a video turning these Ying Yangs that we're making right now into these. So make sure you go check that video out. This. And the Nike Swoosh, which is the only piece we're going to be painting. So make sure you go check out that video. Just quick advertisement, I guess. So yeah, make sure you find your pieces, make sure everything's nice, because we're about to start painting the swoosh. So let's get into it. Okay guys, now because it is raining outside, we are going to be doing the painting in here. Now just a quick tip, so if you are going to be painting inside, double up your cardboard, right? And if mom and dad see this, yes, I'm taking extra precautions. So you're going to double up your cardboard just so that mom and dad don't freak out. We've got our black paint, right? Now, since we're only painting one thing, it's not going to be too messy. I'm actually just going to roll up my sleeves. Let's go. Oh, I can't open this. Woo. Okay. So we're not gonna go. We're just gonna put it straight onto the swoosh right here. You don't need much. It's now if you guys are here because you went to watch the cartoon Air Jordan tutorial, you might want to skip this step, because in the tutorial I just painted white straight over the swoosh because it was black. So if you want it to look even better, cleaner, just don't paint the swoosh here because it's a waste of time and money. Yeah, so, and if you want to learn how to make the cartoon Air Jordan, go check that video out. I'll leave it in the end card. So yeah, if you have come from that video, make sure you skip this step, okay? It's unnecessary for you guys. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you really quickly how it's supposed to like work, and the relativity to the sole and like where it pops and stuff. So basically this is my cartoon Air Jordan. Make sure you go check out that video if you haven't. I'm going to show you guys how it pops out and where it's supposed to pop out. So I've got the back tab here, right? And the way you make that pop out from the sole is you get some scrap piece of cardboard, make sure it all lines up correctly, and then you layer it, right? As you can see right there, you kind of put layers of cardboard in between so that it pops out, right? I've done the same with the center, so that would go there, and this piece is going above that piece, so it's kind of popping out from the sole. Popping in from the sole. So that's basically how you do it. Pause the video now to check out where they pop out and where they pop in. So this one pops out from the sole, this one pops in from the sole, this one pops out from the sole on the same level as this. This is the same level as that, that's same level as this, That's the same level as that and that. That's the same, pops in from this. The swoosh pops out, and this pops out from this, and this pops in from this, okay? Rewind the video if you need to watch that again. Sorry, I just don't want this video to go for too long, so I'm going to speed up this next part. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. So right now we're just putting on all the pieces, we're just attaching them. As you can see here, we're doing the toe right now. Yep, so that's the little center tab thing that goes in from the centerpiece. Okay, we're doing the swoosh now. The toe. And yeah, so we're just gonna let all of that stuff dry and get back to you guys in a few seconds. Alright guys, it's review time. Let's check out how we went with our Air Jordan Ying Yang. So this is it. Final product. Let's go. Look how nice that looks. We got black swoosh. Also guys, quick recommendation, if you are going to make this, I decided to put a layer of this. I didn't actually do this in the tutorial, but I've actually pasted another outline onto cardboard, and I've just pasted it on this. So you can see that's a little bit 3D look to it. Looks pretty clean though. Yeah, so comment down below, does this look lit or does this look lit? Alright, it's still pretty slim even though it's 3D. On the back you can see the kind of effort that goes into making this stuff. Yeah, so down below you can also show me guys how you went with yours, if you made this or if you just watched this video for fun. I don't know guys, just tell me how it looks. I think it looks amazing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications for more content like this. I also do unboxing and reviews if you're new to this channel. And I will see you guys next time.